na walang ligo.
Hi everyone! So now, we're here at
Anguera, guys. Sobrang
Hello guys, naantok na
Sir
ako.
Johnny! We're going to eat there. So we're going to eat, guys, and ngayon lang kami magla-lunch because tagal na tapos no? Yasin, guess the bill challenge. Okay, guess the bill.
11.
Ikaw.
Yes naman. 10.
Ikaw, Sir Ronnie.
3,800.
Ikaw, ma'am.
4,500.
4-5. Sir, guess the bill challenge kung magkano bill natin.
Challenge. 800.
800, wow! Seryoso, sir?
Ako alam ko na.
Ikaw, wag na kasi... Ikaw. Okay, ako. Sila lang kasi alam naman natin. Okay.
1,100.
Ano?
1,100.
1,100.
Sino daw pinakamalapit siya magbabayad? Alam ko yan, 3,500.
Hi everyone, we're doing inspection. We're doing an inspection sa mga houses. Ato, i-repair ata to. Silsilin yung mga plastering. Hi.
Housing makeover. Ito po yung gawa ng dating ng tractor. Iwanan nila.
Bakit nila iniwanan?
Tingnan natin kung kaya natin gawin.
Bakit nila iniwan?
Kasi,
Everyone, ito yung pangatlong bahay na gagawin. So, nakikita nyo naman. Anong masasabi mo sa bahay na to? Sir?
Ang masasabi ko dyan, parang gagawa tayo ulit ng isang buong bahay.
Look, what? Ba yun, sir? So, guys, pauwi na kami.
Ayaw mo makit dyan?
Look at our faces. Sobrang haggard.
Overlooking.
Hindi na may tsura. Hi everyone, we're still on our way back home and sobrang traffic. Bagsak na bagsak. Look at that. Look at the traffic. Diba? Agree kayo, sir?
Oo nga, traffic. Grabe.